Hello everyone, happy to see you again. So in this part of presentation, we will see how a researcher can utilize Manley Reference Manager. So the first step is installing Manley Reference Manager. Step 2, installing Manley Web Importer. Step 3, installing Manley Site. Step 4, adding articles by attaching PDF. Step 5, adding articles manually. Step 6, citing, and step 7, referencing. Let us take you to one by one step. So let us see this article. So, so this is article published in American Journal of Education and Research. In every article, we will be having citation and referencing. Citation, it is the in text while writing the paragraphs. There are many components of articles like introduction, background of the study, methodology, discussion, findings, etc. Everywhere we may cite some authors' references. So there, if you write during the paragraph, in between the paragraphs, you will give the author's name like this, and this we call it citation. And the Sullivan Mayer 1999 conceptualize the term emotionally, so that like that we will tell. And the full, where did I get this, where we can see all these things, yeah, that will be in one. Okay, under one we can see references: Mayer JD, Caruso DR, and Salave P. Multi emotional intelligence meets traditional standards for on intelligence. So this is a journal. This is a paper in Health System Toronto 1999. So this one we call it as reference. The full detail we call it as references. Only the name and the year we call it as citation. And normally what a researcher does is whenever we want to give citation references, we will normally open a Word file, and in that we will put everything like the author name, year, journal name, and then the title, volume, issue number, issue number, pages, everything we will keep writing. And writing the article one by one, from there we will copying and pasting, and the end also we will be keep pasting. We may take many journals from the online also. All those things we put in the Word document, and later we will utilize while writing the article. And here comes Manly. So this is an online tool wherein which the citation and referencing can be done in a very easier way, so that our time in that can be reduced. Come, let us look into it how this can be done. So first we have to go to the website and we have to go for Manly. This is step number 1. Manly desktop download for Windows. Okay, so then go for this, because this laptop is runs on Windows. There we can see Manly desktop, okay, for Windows. So here we have to click 2.61.1, and that will be installed in your desktop or laptop, whatever we are using. Here I have installed, therefore I'll go to it. So I have installed, and also I have signed in. Just after installing, it will be asking for sign. You can sign in your either your institutional ID or Gmail account or any other mail account. So you can sign in. Here also I have added few papers. Otherwise, this window will be looking empty. I have added almost 4 papers. Since I have added, this is shown by this. If nothing is added, this will be empty. Okay, here at the top you have Top left, you have Manly Reference Manager with the tab File. This is export, which means that you can select all these all these articles, and you can export this in whatever format you want, big bib text or EndNote XML or a researcher information system. So whatever, you can export it. Next, the second tab is edit, where all those things control, copy, paste, and select could be done. The third is the very important for us, where it gives two tools. So install manually web importer, install manually site for Microsoft Word. So these are the tools. The last one is help. This you could get from the manually itself. So we have completed the step number one. So which is installing manually reference manager. We'll go to the step number two, installing manually web importer. So again go to the tools. So install manually web importer. So this is the importer. You can see here get web importer for Chrome. So I am using uh, Chrome as my browser. In that it will be, if you click this, this will be installed. So I already have it. So in my web browser I already have. Hence it shows us mainly web importer remove from home. If since I have already in my extension. If we I don't have this, this will not come. Since I am not installing it. Therefore, those who are doing it for the very first time, you have to add this. Since I have already added, we will go to the next. Okay. So just from the tools, the first one we have done manually web importer. So what this is useful, let us look into it. How this is being useful. So I'll go to the Scholar, Google Scholar. So there, suppose if I would like to know any articles on definition of intelligence. Okay, here comes almost millions of articles, and let me explain with the first article, a definition of intelligence given by Michael Warner. So I'll open this. So this is the an article by Warner Michael, where you can get all those things, the title, the journal name, and then the author name, abstract, descriptors, everything. And then see, after the web import, Mantle web importer has been installed, here we can see the top right corner, we can see the icon web importer. Just after seeing the article, just click this icon. Now the icon is getting signed in. Since already my monthly sign in email Gmail ID is email ID is the same, and also here the importer sign in is also one and the same, that has been signed in. Same mail ID. Okay, institutional mail ID, both are one and the same from Google. Therefore, it has been signed in. Otherwise, it will be asking you to sign in again. Therefore, now you can see there are one is the PDF, the other one is the web page. Just since if you want to take it, just click it, and it's very simple and to manually. No need to writing in a paper or write copying and just typing in a Word file. Just if you click add to manually, now let us see in our manually reference manager. Already I got four. Okay, this is the fifth one. There is a newer one. You can see the time now. Now this time it has been added. Michael Warner. So wanted a definition. It has been added. Also along with the file it has been added. This is how the web importer works. Whatever you see in the web pages, everything you can download it in our Manly reference. So which will be utilized later for our article writing for citing and referencing. Now we'll go to the second one, install Manly site for Microsoft Word. This is our step number 3, installing Manly site for Word. Just again, let us go for it. Tool, second Manly site for Word. So this is Manly site for the to be integrated with the Word docs. So if you click it now, it will be it will be integrated with the Word files. I have done this already, therefore let us go to the Word file itself. So I am opening a Word file. So Word file you can see in the reference. So in referencing you can see Manly site has been integrated with that site with Manly. Okay. So I'll do that. Let us go to the fourth step. So first step, installing Manly Reference Manager has been done. The second one, Web Importer has been done, and also one example we have seen how the PDFs or web page which you have seen that can be added to the reference manager into our desktop. Then we have installed Manly site that has been integrated with the Word. Now we'll go to the fourth step, adding articles by attaching PDF. Okay. So I'm going to the Manly Reference Manager. So here there is another tab from top to down. One is add new. The next is all references. Whatever you have that will be on this window. Recently added. So since everything was recently done, all these things are there and recently read. I have not read anything. Therefore that is empty. I have not also marked anything favorites, that is there. Hence it is empty. So I have added only one of my publication, and then there is trash where I have deleted all these things. Then I will go for adding new. So it is files from the computer. So what I do is I will add. So I'll add from the computer a PDF file. So which consists of a publication. So just have so I have added a PDF where you can see. So this was added. This Warner it was added from web, and now this Murkison and Padmanabhan it was added as a PDF file. So that has been added along all its credentials, author name, year, title, which source, and then added when it was been added, and also with a PDF file. This is the fourth step, and the fifth step we have now is adding articles manually. Okay, so now let us do the same thing, but we are adding by from our own. Okay, so I'll do it by taking an example. So we have here another article where we would like to do it by adding manually. So the first one we will say it is asking identifiers. ARXI with DOI or PMID. So I'll taking the identifiers. Here I have the identifier for this article, digital object identifier. So I copy this and add manually. The extra I have copied, I will delete it. So this is a DOI means digital object identifier. It is the number. This is a digits, and it is used to identify the article in the public domain in the vast space. And the reference type, this is a journal article, not a book, not a book section, not a case, etc. Therefore I click journal article. Next title, I'll take it from the copy it from the title itself. This is the title. Then we are going there and adding. So this is the title and authors. So the authors here we have here two authors. One is G. Manamari, the other one is P. Srinivasan. Let us add one by one. So the authors G. Manimuri, and we have to write the last name first, the last name first and first name in the last. So G. Manimuri. It is I mean Manimuri Ganesan. Ganesan being the last name, comma Manimuri being the first name. So this is how we have done. We have to write. So the next author, it is P. Srinivasan. It is Srinivasan Padmanabhan. The first name is Srinivasan, the last name being Padmanabhan. So Padmanabhan you write first, comma Srinivasan. So this is how we have to add. So journal. So we can see journal. It is a American Journal of Educational Research, and therefore that can be American. So a spelling mistake. So American Journal of Education Research. Then we have to go for the year in which this has been published, and this has been published in 2018. 2018. Page numbers from to it is asking. Then we can see the page numbers. So it is starting from 1051 to 1055, 4 pages. So 1051 to 1055. So volume and issue we have to take it from there. So volume and issue, that is there here. This is volume number 6 and issue number 7. So volume number 6 and issue number 7. So it has been published in the July month, July 7th. And day let us have 31st. So abstract we can copy from here itself. This is the manual entry, therefore we have to copy and then just paste this. So everything we have done. So digital object identifier, journal article, title, authors to authors have been added, journal, name of the journal, year, page numbers, volume, issue, month and day, abstract has been added just to add the entry. So you can see Ganesan, Manimuri and Padmanabhan Srinivasan. So you can see all those things. Since we haven't attached, there is no PDF file. Previous one we have attached a PDF file, that is there. So this is how this has been added. Now we are in the next step, citing. So how to cite an article, and the last step would be referencing. Both we will do simultaneously with the Word file which we have opened already. So I have clicked the Word file and then I have opened the Mendeley's reference. So we have added 3 for this session, and that has been integrated here. So there's Michael Warner's article wanted a definition, and then a full article appraisal that has added as a PDF, and the other article by Manuel. So now let us try to cite. So I want to take it from the definition of intelligence. So intelligence is being defined by, so here I want to cite the first article. So insert one title, it will be inserted wherever a cursor is there. So Warner and Pitt in 2002. Okay. As the cumulative. So likewise, this runs. Okay, and you keep on texting. So next somewhere we would like to go for another. So emotional intelligence can be measured by 360 degree. So this was given by Murugesh, and therefore here I would take it and I will add the insight. So if you want to edit this also in a running matter where Murugesh and Padmanabham, like that, if you want also you can edit it because this is coming inside the brackets. Now likewise, let us go to the last one. That is a positive correlation between emotional intelligence and academic achievement. Okay, so this is taken from Money therefore I'll take this and I'll insert the citation. Okay, we have written, assume that we have written three paragraphs and also that has been with three citations. So this is how the citations are added with the Mandely's help. So this is very versatile where we need not spend writing all those things in a piece of paper or in a word separately. Just to keep attaching by the click of a mouse or by touch of a screen, you can do all these things. And the last step of this is referencing. Okay, so it's very easy. Just let us do the reference at the last step. Imagine that we have finished the article in a full length manner. Okay, now we want to type, we want to give the reference and all those things. But normally, what we do is we keep texting across the references one by one alphabetically. Now let us see how this is done by a single click of the mouse. So here we have taken three articles and it will be cited across the article these three citations. Now I want to write the reference, so insert bibliography all the three articles. That's all. So all the three it has come and in alphabetic way in AP 7th citation style. So there are many citations style. You want to change means you can always change. But in education, we follow American Psychological School 7th edition. So this is what it has been referred. Okay. So these are the steps. Manley Reference Manager. How to cite and reference. This is helps in citing and referencing. First, we have to install Manley Reference Manager. Second, we have to install Manley Web Importer for importing from web pages or PDFs. And the third, installing Manley site integrated with the Word file, we can cite and we can go for reference. Then adding new articles by attaching PDF. Another one is adding articles manually. Sixth and seventh, we are shown by taking a word file, citing and referencing. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.